Welcome to my channel. Let us learn how to simplify this expression correctly. Now, I put the question down here. We have 10 plus 6 in parentheses divided by 3 into 2 plus 4. Here, some persons will simplify this expression this way. We have 10 plus 6, that gives 16, divided by 3 into 2 plus 4. Now again, have a 16 divided by 3, 2 plus 4, that gives 6, that's multiplied by 6. And right here, we multiply this out, they have 16 divided by 3, 6, that is 18. And this is the same thing as 16 all over 18. Here, we are going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. And we are going to have 16 divided by 2, that gives us 8. 18 divided by 2, that gives us 9. But this answer is wrong. This is a wrong approach. Then again, still the same expression. Some person will simplify it this way. Have 10 plus 6 divided by 3 into 2 plus 4. But first, they have 10 plus 6, that gives 16, divided by 3 into 2 plus 4. Then right here, they'll expand this. We have 16 divided by 3 times 2, that gives 6. 3 times plus 4, that gives plus 12. Then at this point, we have this 16 divided by 6. This can also be written as 16 all over 6, then plus 12. Then at this point, to simplify this, we have 6 times 12, that's 72, then plus 16, that gives 88, divided by 6. And here we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. And that 88 divided by 2, that gives 44. And 6 divided by 2, that gives 3. Now if we simplify this further, you're going to have 44 divided by 3. That will give us 14 and 2 over 3. But this answer is still wrong. This is still a wrong approach. Now, to solve this correctly, we are going to have this 10 plus 6 in parentheses divided by 3 into 2 plus 4. Here, we are going to apply PEMDAS. We have here, or we use BODMAS, both something. Here first, we are going to take a look at parentheses as the bracket. We are going to simplify these elements in the bracket first. But as such, we are going to have here 10 plus 6, that gives us 16, divided by here 3. 2 plus 6, that's 2 plus 4, that gives us 6. And that is multiplication. We have here multiplied by 6. Then here we have division and multiplication. Now Multiplication here and addition have the same precedence. Well, as such, the operation here will move from left to right. Therefore, applying this, we are going to have here 16 divided by 3, which can also be expressed as 16 all over 3, then multiplied by 6. Then here, 3 will divide 7, and 3 into 6 is 2. But as such, we have here 16 multiplied by 2. When 16 multiplied by 2, that will give us 32. And this is the correct answer to this expression right here on the board. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.